What's up YouTube, Hudson Fan 15 with another box break. Once again, the lovely assistant Mrs. Hudson Fan 15. We're going to do 2 boxes tonight, probably do 2 separate videos. First up will be the 07 score. Got this on clearance blowout sale at the local B&C Collectibles. Just popped in to see what they had, as everything was 20% off. All the cards were 28% off, which is an odd number, but whatever.
Well, it was 20% off, and then they took 10% off of that.
Which is kind of silly. So we got this box on the cheap, and it was one of the few boxes, full boxes they had left. If you have a BNC close to you, check it out. They will be done, finished, finito before December 1st. So definitely want to get in there before then. First up, Deshaun Wynn, scorecard rookie, 555 out of 750. Dwayne Bowe rookie, Kenny Irons glossy rookie.
Rookie of Troy Smith.
Eric Frampton rookie, right on the top. Larry Johnson, the franchise. Paul Pozolazny rookie.
Lorenzo Booker rookie. Greg Olson glossy rookie.
Now, some of you Bears fans, leave comments. Is he doing anything this year? Because last year he went a little bonkers, got a lot of attention, and I haven't heard a damn thing about him this year. So let me know on that. Once again, on the top, John Beeson rookie. Michael Okowo rookie. John Abate rookie. Carson Palmer franchise. Dwayne Jarrett rookie. 4 rookies in this pack. Good lord.
Got a rookie of a hot rookie of Calvin Johnson. A rookie of Trent Edwards, and then glossy of just Mushin Muhammad.
Your buddy from the last break, Mr. Calvin Johnson. Got a damn parallel to 32 of him. Kevin Kolb, rookie.
Rookie of Gary Russell. David Ball, rookie.
Alright, 1 pack. Check this out. Back-to-back. Adrian Peterson regular rookie, Adrian Peterson hot rookie. That's pretty cool. And a David Clowney rookie.
Aha! Anthony Gonzalez rookie. And a glossy of Ted Ginn rookie.
Getting that good mojo already with the Colts. I'm feeling it. Give me a Peyton Manning end zone black out of 6. Alright, Earl Everett rookie.
Rookie of Kenny Irons, glossy rookie of Paul Pozolazny, yeah.
And same pack, Amobi Okoye, regular rookie, and glossy. Awesome seating score.
Yeah. Sure. Rookie of Toby Cordy. Rookie of Cindric Steptoe. Dallas Clark.
Maurice Jones-Drew, franchise scorecard, 150 to 750, and a Jared Zvransky rookie.
And a rookie of David Clowney.
Calvin Johnson, rookie.
We got franchise of Jay Cutler and rookie of Deshaun Wynn.
On the back, Anthony Gonzalez, glossy rookie. Thomas Clayton, rookie. Dijon Woods, rookie. Zach Diossi, rookie. And a Leon Hall, rookie. Gotta love getting 4 or 5 rookies in 1 pack.
1 pack. We got a Craig Buster Davis rookie and glossy rookie of the same card. Of your Vikings, darling. No, it's Chargers. Never mind.
Yeah.
Ignore me.
I had a couple of those, and I sent them to Cap Bohica as part of the contest winner, which we're cruising towards 50, kids. Jamarcus Russell, rookie, your number 1 pick from...
Rookie of Justin Durant and Ted Ginn.
So that's the other thing. I'm going to start mentioning this in my videos. Hit me up with PMs, comments. Going to do another contest for 50th subscriber. Let me know. We had fun with the last one, so let me know what you want to do for this one.
Rookie of Michael Griffin.
Joe Thomas, rookie.
Rookie of Tank Tyler. Rookie of Jamal Cornelius. We got the franchise of Maurice Jones-Drew. Rookie of Darius Walker. Glossy rookie of Trent Edwards.
Chris Davis rookie. And Mike Walker glossy rookie. I got 2 glossies in that pack.
Got a rookie of Greg Olson and a glossy rookie of David Clowney.
Brady Quinn rookie. And Champ Bailey scorecard out of 750.
Rookie of Stuart Bradley. David Irons. Hot rookie of Ted Ginn. Rookie of Isaiah Stanback. And a glossy rookie of Colby Smith.
Josh Wilson, a.k.a. The Truth, rookie. Marshawn Lynch, hot rookie. Brian Leonard, rookie. And a Patrick Willis, glossy rookie.
Gold Zone of Brandon Marshall, number 305 out of 600.
Marshall.
Rookie of Patrick Willis.
Peyton Manning base, yay. Marshawn Lynch, rookie. Colby Smith, rookie.
Rookie of Robert Meacham.
Gold Zone, Isaiah Steinbach, 226 out of 600, rookie.
Rookie of Quentin Moses. Rookie of Damian Hughes from your Colts.
Yay.
Rookie of Jamal Anderson. Glossy rookie of Kenny Irons.
It's one of the autos. I got 2 autos, 2 Colts autos in one pack, and here's one of them. Marcus McCauley, rookie. Antonio Pittman, rookie. Isaiah Steinbach, rookie, glossy. And Tim Crowder, rookie.
Last pack for me, LaRon Landry, rookie.
I take that to Mike at the store tomorrow. He the Redskins fan. Marshawn Lynch, glossy, hot rookie. Sidney Rice, rookie. Steve Smith, rookie. And a David Hall, glossy rookie. Alright, next up, Gridiron Gear. Be sure to check out Army ATC 22's Gridiron Gear group break. Alright, YouTube. Peace.